This has exceeded my expectations. This is really innovative, and to know that this is built right here in our county is fantastic.
Definitely top notch, from the welding to what they're doing with the pipe, the part that I got involved in. The guys are doing a really good job with it. It's amazing the things they're fitting into these systems and making it portable to go out to the job site. It's usually seeing things like this at a permanent position and not something that you can transport. I saw a few of the customers I work with here today, engineers and things, and they're impressed from what I've heard.
This definitely needs to be a stop for anyone that is interested in this kind of facility. I think people need to know about this.